Hello everyone, this video is for someone who is dealing with PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, depression, severe anxiety, panic attack, suicidal ideation. All of these all wrapped in one. This is New Life with Precious. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. And shout out to you, my long-term supporters. You are deeply appreciated. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe now to my channel for more videos. Like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you so much. Okay, let's get right into today's video. There's a question that came in. One of my subscribers asked me to make a video about PTSD, about dealing with post-traumatic stress disorder, depression, panic attack, severe anxiety, and suicidal ideation. All of these disorders, they are mental disorders. They are a wide range of mental disorders that make people to be in a constant state of mood swing, and in a depressed state that can affect your daily activity. I know at one point in time in our lives, nearly everybody has experienced one of these mental disorders. Not everybody, but at least one of these mental disorders, at one point in your life, you must have experienced one of these. Personally, I've experienced one of these, and I'm going to share with you what helped me along my journey. Okay, so what is PTSD? PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, is a mental disorder that can develop after a person is exposed to a traumatic event, such as sexual assault, rape, warfare, traffic collisions, or threats to one's life. Depression, severe anxiety, suicidal ideation, all of these mental disorders can cause somebody to develop mood swing. It may cause somebody to develop suicidal ideation. It may cause somebody to withdraw from the public, from social interactions, and this will affect that person's life dearly. Okay, so what I'm trying to say in essence to help you with this problem is that you really have to understand. I'm not trying to downplay the severity of these problems. These problems are very, very, very severe. In fact, it may keep somebody in a total arrested state of development if it is not checked. But if you're somebody that is experiencing all these mental disorders, you really have to love yourself 100%. All of these things that has happened to you, try and put it in the past, because all of these things that are happening, they have to do about lack of self-love. They have to do about you constantly focusing on fear. And what is fear? Fear is a lie that is trying to appear as real. Because your mind is going to present to you the worst case scenarios that, Something that happened to you last year, what? It might happen to you again. You keep having flashback about all these problems. But think about it. If you continue having this flashback, you will just keep yourself in a total arrested state of lack of development, because you won't be able to go to the next level. You have to realize that you are a spiritual being having a human experience. We are all energy. We are spiritual beings. We are just having a human experience. So you have to see that freedom is your birthright. No matter what has happened to you in the past, let it stay in the past. And turn a new person. Continue, start living a new life. Let go of what has happened to you. Let's say somebody has treated you bad. Just let it go. Because most times we can't change what is happening out there, but we can change what is in here. We can change our mind. We can change how we think about things by having a new perspective. When you have a new perspective, a new way of looking at things, your life is going to change for better. Every single day when you wake up, just wake up with gratitude. Like, I thank God my life is better. Because no matter what you're going through, somebody else is going through far, far worse circumstances. If you look deeper enough, your situation is even more better than the other person. So, what I'm saying in essence is that you have to start loving yourself. You have to love yourself 100%. When you look at yourself in the mirror, fall in love with yourself as many times as you can. See yourself as a free human being. See yourself as a spiritual being having a human experience. Okay? And start saying positive affirmations about yourself. Do yoga. Do meditation. Meditate. Listen to music that uplifts you, that uplifts your vibration, that increases your vibration. And when you start doing all of these things, I know positive change is not going to happen overnight, but you have to keep at it. And I promise you, your life is going to change for the better. Okay? And before you know it, you will be free from post-traumatic stress disorder. You'll be free from panic attacks. You will be free from severe anxiety. You will be free from suicidal ideation. Okay, so there you have it. If you have many more questions for me, just leave it down in the comment section and I'm going to get back to you. Okay, so I hope this video answers your question. If you want more answers, just leave your comments in the comment section and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. This is New Life with Precious. Thank you so much. If you love this video, give this video a thumbs up right now and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so for more videos. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye. I love you so much. Bye bye.